Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. I'm going to give you all my first impressions of this new device. Yes, I decided to pick it up even though I'm still in the reviewing process of the S26 Ultra. I wanted to try something new. And Nothing dropped this like on the 27th of March, so why not try it out? We need different phones in the US, and I decided to pick this one up. I did have the Nothing Phone 1, and I had the Phone 2, which I cannot find right now, but I think I gave it away to a family member that needed a phone. But I did enjoy this one, still actually have it, but I wanted to try out the new one in the US. Now, they do have the Phone 4a without the Pro that you can get in like Europe and stuff and all those areas over there. But for us, we are getting the phone, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. It's at $499, 128 gigs of storage with 8 gigs of RAM. But let's get into it. Just a quick unboxing. Here's the box itself. Says open. I don't know how that's supposed to open it, but let's see. Box is heavy. So this phone is anything you want. It can just be a phone. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can read that. Welcome to Nothing. We're happy you're with us. That is definitely unique. Let's see. Oh, I get a case? Nah, come on now. Is there a case in here? How did I open this? You get a case? I mean, it's a little TPU case, but it is a case. You have the little charging cable, USB Type-C to C. You have what it tells you about charging hours. You have a little book here. Safety. Okay, this unboxing experience is great. What else do we have in this box? I think this is a SIM injecting tool. Yes, the SIM injecting tool. So it still has a SIM card in there. Anything else in here? I just tore that box up. We're not used to having, I have a case, y'all, in the box. What? But I have the phone here. Okay. I decided to get the black. They have a pink and then also like a silver one. It's kind of hefty. Has a little weight to it. Now, is this phone going to be perfect? No, I mean, it doesn't have wireless charging. The cameras, are going to be, are probably usable, but are they going to be the best out of the best? Probably not. Bam, look at that big old glyph interface there. Let's see if this bad boy has some energy, some juice. Bam, what is that little button there? But let's go over the phone while it's starting up. You have your power button, the volume rockers. I don't even know if that alert slider or what that button is. We're gonna find that out. Now the camera or the front of this phone or the display is a 6.8 3-inch AMOLED panel. It gets up to 5,000 brightness. The resolution is 2800 by 1260. It's supposed to be up to 144 hertz of refresh rate. I don't know how many apps will actually use that. We'll test that out too. Has a front camera in there. Then also on the back you have 3 cameras in the back. And that is a telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then a main shooter which is 50 megapixels too. The back, it shows off your fingerprints a little bit. Doesn't come like with wireless charging. It has a 5080 milliamp hour battery with 50-watt fast charging. Like I said, no wireless charging on this phone. It comes with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip. Android 16 straight out the box. Is running their new Nothing OS, which is supposed to be pretty cool. But I'm going to try that out a little bit more. I'm definitely liking that they gave me a case. It's IP65 rating. So it's not like a fully waterproof, submerge it under there. But, you know, you can get it splashed and still not break your phone. But let me pause the video. Let me go and see what I can get my chips in here, or my SD card slot, and get this phone started up too. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I've been using it for a little bit, and this phone and the operating system is something to get used to. I like the difference in it than the normal operating system that we have. They have a lot that you can set up with the glyph interface. The cameras seem okay, but it's just, there's a lot of customization. There's a lot of things you can do with the glyph interface, and different things you can set up as far as who's calling you. So if you have your phone down, you know exactly who's calling you. I mean, there's customizations out of his thing. I mean, you can download icon packs, you can change colors, the layout. There's so many different things you can make this phone your own, and it's something different. I hope this phone catches on. I hope that people give Nothing a chance. Yes, the cameras we're going to definitely try to test out and see. Shout out to Blue. Go Blue. I mean, that looks pretty good from there. Let's see. And the screen is pretty bright too. That looks pretty good to me. And then it has a under display fingerprint, and it works fast. Haven't had any problems with that. This is like an AI button. I haven't set it up. You can add notes to it if you want to. I don't know. I have to dig into that too a little bit more. But I definitely am enjoying it. I need to get like deep dive into it. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I'm going to try to make it and try to get this going. But I do like the design. I like the feel of the hands. And I mean, it's just different operating system than what we normally used to. So definitely I'm glad that they came out with it. I will set up my SIM card on here and make phone calls, test it out. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on it. I will definitely try to make it. Also, comparing to the S26 Ultra, it's a big boy. It's not as wide, but almost as tall. And then that camera plateau with the glyph interface is something different, you know. And then this lights up when you get a notification. We'll definitely try it out a little bit more. But again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. Also the S26 Ultra, don't worry. Those videos are not stopping. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.